I finally need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished installing this unit, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay y'all, not me giving you guys tropical with my pumpkins in the background, but it's still hot here in Bama, okay? So don't judge me. Okay, so the unit I'm rocking was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. Shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their 24-inch ready to go pre-style braid water wave 13x4 lace frontal wig. So on their site, let me click on there and give you guys a few more details. On the site, it says ready and go wigs water wave human braiding hair 13x4 pre everything lace front wig. And honey, I ain't gonna hold you. They ain't lie. It's definitely pre-everything. It is definitely pre-everything. Like, it's even, the lace is even pre-cut. And even looking at the pictures that were posted by people just like reviewing the unit, like, it looks good on everybody, girl. She woke up like this. So this unit is available in 14 to 30 inches, and you can get it in 180%, which is what I'm pretty sure that I have. Or you can get it in 200%, 250%, which is extremely full. But with it being a water wave, even if it's super full, typically water wave is extremely lightweight. Like, my unit is very, very, very lightweight. I love a wig that don't take a whole lot. I ain't gonna hold you. You guys know me. If you've been watching me, I like a unit that doesn't take much because I'm nobody's beautician. Honey, I want to slap old girl on and keep it moving. That's it. That's all. So I love when I don't have to do too much to a wig. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, honestly, y'all, straight out of packaging, I did not notice any other things. It may have shedded a little bit, but it was nothing to write home about. And with water waves, they don't tend to shed like that, nor do they tangle. Like, they're just, honestly, out of all the waves, the water wave is my personal favorite. And yeah, as far as this lace, honey, oh, this lace definitely woke up like this. Like, I didn't do a ting to her, girl. Look, like, even before I applied my adhesive, I'll show you, insert a clip or somewhere so you guys can see it. Even before I applied any adhesive, oh girl was blending in, okay? I was shooketh. I was actually on the phone with my husband. I was like, what? I was shooketh. I'm not gonna hold you. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. So as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. But I am an average cap size, so girl, do what you want to with that. But I will say it does have that detachable elastic band, and honey, oh girl, is snug as a bug on my head. So yeah, once again though, I only have the head that's on my shoulder, so do with that what you want to do with it. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all, it says it's 13x4, but honey, I can't tell. So if it is a 13x4, that'll have to be my con, but I'm gonna keep it a whole buck. It's not giving that to me. And if you can do all this with 13x4, then baby, come through with it. Okay? Come through with it. So, yeah. As far as my pros, I love that it's the ultimate beginner-friendly wig. Like, it does not take a whole lot to style this wig. This unit comes pre-styled. And you guys know that has always been one of my favorite things about synthetic wigs is that they come pre-styled, because once again, your girl is lazy. So I like that we are now getting human hair options as far as coming pre-styled. So yeah, I love all of that for me. And honey, everything about this wig is just everything. Chef's kiss. Love it. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and length check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below. Once again, shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go click the subscribe button. It's not cost, not one bread cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Completely got every style.